In this video we look at a very easy way to make your own face masks at home. This method requires no sewing or stitching. First thing you need to make this face mask is a roll of paper household towels. Tear off 2 sheets and fold it double. Then from the closed side, fold over approximately 20 mm or 2 cm. Repeat this, but now fold over to the other side. Repeat this until you have folded the entire sheet and you have a long strip folded in a zigzag. The second thing you need are some rubber bands. When you stretch these, they should be approximately 20 cm long. Now fold the rubber band over the end of the towel strip, and through the loop. Then pull the rubber band until it is very tight around the towel. Give it a few tugs to make sure it won't come loose. Do the same on the other side. And there you have your own face mask. Just open up the towel and hook the elastics behind your ears. Everyone should now wear a face mask, especially when you are out in a public place.